In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up conversion tracking to properly track phone calls inside Google Ads. Setting up call tracking is essential for businesses looking to evaluate and improve the effectiveness of their advertising efforts. We'll walk you through each step so by the end of this video you'll be able to track phone call conversions confidently. Let's begin by going to the Google Ads website. Open your browser and type in the Google Ads URL. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button, which should be prominently displayed. Click on it to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But assuming that's done, sign in using your credentials, and that brings us to the Google Ads homepage. Now from the Google Ads dashboard, we're going to look for the Goals section. It's typically located on the left-hand side menu. Click on Goals, and from there find and select Conversions. Here is where the magic happens, as this is where you'll define what counts as a conversion for your campaigns. Once you're on the conversions page, you'll want to click on the new conversion action, which you'll find usually as a prominent button. This is where we start customizing our tracking specifics. After clicking, a new window or form will pop up, presenting you with different options for conversion tracking. The focus today is on tracking phone calls, so you'll want to choose phone calls from these options. This selection is important because it streamlines the process of identifying calls driven by your ads as significant business interactions. Now bear in mind that accurate call tracking is pivotal for understanding customer intent and making data-driven decisions. It allows you to connect phone leads to your campaigns, which can be instrumental in refining your marketing strategies further down the line. Once you've identified the phone call option, follow the prompts to complete the setup. At each step, there may be fields asking for details like the name of the conversion and the value you assign to these calls. Fill them out carefully. Finally, make sure to save your changes. Your setup won't be effective unless it's saved, so don't miss this critical final step. Once you hit save, you'll be good to go. In summary, setting up phone call conversion tracking in Google Ads involves signing in, navigating to your conversion settings, selecting phone calls as conversions, and then attentively filling out the necessary information to tailor this setup to your business needs. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to measuring the impact of your ads more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy analyzing!